Hello everyone and welcome to my video. I'm Dr. Mahdi. Today in this video we will learn a very easy method for making a starch from potato. At the end of this video, if you like it, please push the like, press the subscribe button. You can also share it with your friends. Now let's start the video, but before starting the video I would like to explain to you a little bit about the structure of starch. Starch is a polymeric carbohydrate consisting of numerous glucose units joined by glycosidic bonds. Starch is a polymer, it's a biopolymer, and monomer for this polymer is glucose. And also, starch consists of two types of molecules, amylose and amylopectin. Starch is mixture of amylose and amylopectin. Amylose is linear and amylopectin is branched. There are different sources for making a starch. We can use wheat as a source for making a starch. We can use corn. We can use rice. We can use cassava or potato. Different types of starch have different structures. It depends on amount of amylose and amylopectin. Amylose can be between 20 to 25%, and definitely amylopectin should be between 75 to 80%. Now let's start the video. How to make a starch using potato. First, I need to use a juice maker machine to make potato juice. Now I have a potato juice and I need to leave it for a few minutes in room temperature, because after leaving for a few minutes we will have two phases. Upper phase and lower phase. Starch should be in lower phase. We don't need the upper phase and we can throw it away. We can remove the upper phase and we need to keep the lower phase because starch should be in lower phase. Just leave it for a few minutes. Now, after a few minutes, it's really easy to distinguish two different phases. Lower phase, it's white because starch is here, and also upper phase, that we don't need it and we need to throw it away. We need to remove it. You can see the starch. Can see the starch. But the thing is here, if you would like to have a white and clean starch, it's better to wash it with water. It's better to add water. And after adding water, it's better to shake it. And again, leave it in room temperature for a few minutes and again remove the upper phase and keep the lower phase. Try to repeat it for 3-4 times, and after 3-4 times you will have a very white starch. I washed it 4 times and you can see the upper phase is very clear, and also starch is very white. And now I would like to remove the upper phase. You can see the starch. And now I would like to transfer the starch to a plate for drying. It's very hard, but anyway, I leave it in this place for 1 day in room temperature, and after that I will have it in powder shape. A very white starch. So now starch is ready, and now it's in powder shape. I mean, humidity is low. But still I would like to leave it in room temperature. But now it's in powder shape. I mean, there is no water inside of starch. But if you want to remove the humidity completely, it's better to leave it in room temperature for 1 day. Hope you found this video useful. At the end, if you have any comment or question, you can write it below in comment section. If you like it, please push the like, press the subscribe button. You can also hit the bell. In this case, you will get notification whenever I publish a new video. And at the end, please don't forget that life is short and enjoy it. Thank you so much and bye.